Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your device. Enable developer options and USB debugging, then install Termux and Termux API so you can run scripts locally. Once done, install Python 3 or Node and the speech libraries you need. This gives you offline control and avoids App Store limitations. Next, grant microphone and storage permissions and test a basic speech-to-text command in Termux to confirm audio capture works. Make sure to keep the device charged and connected during initial installs to avoid interruptions. Now you build the core pipeline. Record short audio segments with timestamps, then feed them into your speech-to-text module. You can use local engines or a light cloud API depending on accuracy needs. Once recognized text returns as JSON, parse the result and normalize punctuation and keywords so your app interprets commands reliably. Then map those normalized phrases to code templates or actions, like inserting function skeletons or snippets, so spoken intent becomes structured output. Finish by saving each transcription to a file and running an auto formatter or linter so the output is ready to use. Then sync to Git or cloud storage for backup. Once integrated, add debounce and silence detection so short pauses don't create fragmented commands, and include optional confirmation prompts for destructive actions. If speech errors persist, train a small custom vocabulary and accents, or add a quick confirm step. This single tweak usually resolves most misrecognition problems and keeps your workflow efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.